Today we're going to take a quick look at this turbo fan brought to you by Bazook. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in this box. First of all, you do get the turbo fan itself. You also get the charger, and then you get this really nice carry case where you can just put that back inside of there and carry it around. Also the user manual. Now as far as the functionality of this, it's pretty simple to use, but a couple things it wants you to remember to turn off when you're not using it, and the off switch is here on the bottom. I'll show you in a second. Also, you want to be 18 plus and don't put your fingers or your hair near the fan. So speaking of charging it, you charge it here on the bottom. Here's where you turn it on and off. And then one of my favorite features is a 4,000 milliamp battery that you can plug in PD, so it's going to be quick charge to like your iPhone 16 or any of your USB-C devices, tablets, that kind of thing. So if you get in a pinch and need to charge, you can do that. So I'm going to hold it here. I'm going to turn it on. You're going to see this nice screen pop up right there, and this just lets you know everything that's going on. So you can see your battery level. This is a flashlight icon, so if I turn the flashlight on, you can see level 1, level 2, level 3, and you can just see how bright that is. And then if I press and long hold it, it's going to go into SOS mode, so I can do that as well. Short press it to turn it off. Now this is your start and stop button, so you can push the fan and turn it on, and I can turn it off like that. So I'm going to go through all the modes. So here's mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and then also you have turbo mode, which you're going to press and hold this start button for 2 seconds. You'll see turbo here. It's going to do a 15-second blast, and then it's going to do a 10-second cooldown. You'll see it right here on this measurement. So let's go ahead and do that. It's got an auto pause, and then it's going to go back up, and you can kind of see this indicator doing that. Like I said, once again, you can blow your car off with this. So if you just washed your car, you can get all those little water dots off. So I'm going to go through the different levels. There's 2, there's 3, and I think this is 4 right here, and you can really see that water start to move off of your car very, very quickly. Very impressive. I'm really impressed by this. And you can feel the power in your hands as you're turning this blower on. Now I'm going to try it with some leaves, because like I said, you could leaf blow with this. You could help start barbecues with this, and you can see these leaves start to move. But more than that, the whole puddle starts to move, which is pretty wild. That you can do that, and you can see these leaves are just moving right along. So now I'm going to test this on turbo mode here in the gravel, because I want to see if it moves some bigger items and see how well it'll do. So you can see it's blowing the dirt, the debris, the rocks, and everything. If you're looking for a high-powered turbo fan, then this one might be the one for you. I can definitely recommend it. I give it a big thumbs up, and not only does it work great, but it's super fun to use. Hope this helps.